Let's make a data-driven decision. Let's make a data-driven decision. Use this when recommending a decision based on facts and data. The data supports our strategy. The data supports our strategy. Use this when explaining that the data confirms your plan. We need more evidence before deciding. We need more evidence before deciding. Use this when there isn't enough information to make a decision. This trend deserves our attention. This trend deserves our attention. Use this when highlighting an important business pattern. The results exceeded our expectations. The results exceeded our expectations. Use this when presenting better than expected outcomes. Let's compare the available options. Let's compare the available options. Use this when evaluating different solutions. This recommendation is based on the analysis. This recommendation is based on the analysis. Use this when presenting your conclusion after analyzing the data. We should focus on the highest impact. We should focus on the highest impact. Use this when discussing business priorities. The numbers tell a different story. The numbers tell a different story. Use this when the data contradicts assumptions. Let's identify the main opportunity. Let's identify the main opportunity. Use this when looking for business growth opportunities. We need to improve this process. We need to improve this process. Use this when suggesting process improvements. The forecast looks promising. The forecast looks promising. Use this when discussing positive future projections. Let's review the risks before proceeding. Let's review the risks before proceeding. Use this when evaluating potential challenges. This decision will benefit the business. This decision will benefit the business. Use this when explaining the expected outcome of a decision. We should monitor the results regularly. We should monitor the results regularly. Use this after implementing a new strategy. The performance improved significantly. The performance improved significantly. Use this when reporting strong business improvement. Let's measure the impact of this change. Let's measure the impact of this change. Use this when evaluating the results of a new process or strategy. The insights helped us make a better decision. The insights helped us make a better decision. Use this when explaining the value of data analysis. We achieved our business objective. We achieved our business objective. Use this when announcing that a goal has been reached. I'll prepare a recommendation report. I'll prepare a recommendation report. Use this when creating a report for decision makers. Let's discuss the next course of action. Let's discuss the next course of action. Use this when planning the next business steps. Thank you for considering my recommendation. Thank you for considering my recommendation. Use this after presenting your proposal. I appreciate your valuable feedback. I appreciate your valuable feedback. Use this when thanking others for their suggestions. Together, we'll make the right decision. Together, we'll make the right decision. Use this when encouraging collaboration during decision-making. Let's turn data into action. Let's turn data into action. Use this as a motivating closing statement during a meeting or presentation.